What's up, gang? Welcome back. So yeah, we're not doing a hydro dip no more. We're going to do a crackle finish. If you've seen on my Instagram, I'm going to do a deep blue color, kind of a bright deep blue, kind of hard to explain. And then we'll put a crackle finish over top of that. So all I'm going to do here is, this has all been primed. I kind of like, I don't know if you can see it or not, I kind of taped off the edges here and here to kind of tie in with the body. I'm just going to sand this super lightly. I want to kind of mark this off, because I think I'll have the neck black, and then up here I want to incorporate the crackle with the body. So I'm going to sand this down slightly, nothing major, just trying to scuff it up a little bit so the paint will stick, and then I'll do the same thing with the body, and then we'll get started. So let's get busy. Alright guys, so you kind of see the idea here, what I'm wanting to do. I want to incorporate this with the body on the back, and this will be a little bit blue up in here. I'm hoping to get the crackle on that, but we'll see where it goes. Alright, so let's go ahead and get things ready to go out in the garage. Woohoo! Okay guys, we're all set up. I got the deep gloss blue. If you remember my other video of the ML Beast when I did the crackle, we put the base coat on and we let it set for roughly about a half hour just to kind of tack up good, and then I follow it with a crackle paint. So let's go ahead and get started. Hope for the best. Okay guys, so I got the first, I got the coat on there. I don't want to get too heavy, but so we're gonna wait for this to dry and come back and we'll hopefully get a nice crackle finish. So, all right, see you guys shortly. Okay guys, so moment of truth coming up. Got my black crackle. This is from Montana. You can get this off of Amazon. Pretty cool stuff. I use this on my other guitar, my ML Beast. Worked really great. So we're gonna spray the back first, and like we did before, I will try to zoom in and let you see the effect as it happens. So let's give it a shot. Alright guys, so as you can see, the effect is starting to come through. Looking pretty good so far. This takes a few minutes to kind of get around to you know, the actual what you're wanting, but looking good so far. We'll come back and look at it in a minute, and then we'll continue. Alright guys, so it's been about 5 minutes. It's still going to take some time for that to come through, but it's really looking good. I'm going to go ahead and spray the... We'll do the sides next, I guess, and go from there. Alright guys, so it's kind of hard to get a good angle here. The lighting ain't the best out here in the garage. I even have a light out here to help me with that. But you can see it's starting to come through. Looking pretty good here. I'm liking that. Up there looks amazing. Yeah, we're looking good now. Get this over here. Look at that crackle. That's crazy. Okay guys, so far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this around, and we'll do the front next. And so I gotta make a last second decision. I'm gonna get this flipped around and I'll tell you. Okay guys, so I got this flipped around. I think what I want to do is I'm gonna try to go around the outer edges and leave part of the middle blue, just blue. I think that'll tie in really good, and that will bring the black in, because I'm going to have black hardware. I think that'll really tie in, make this thing look even better. So let me show you. So here's what I'm talking about. You can see the blue, the crackling on the sides here look really good. Okay, I think if I just bring it in just a little bit and leave some of this blue in the middle, it might look badass. So wish me luck, and let's see what happens. Oh boy. Alright, let's see what entails of that, or what happens here. Okay guys, so here it is. This isn't too bad. A little blotchy on the black, but I mean, I guess it kind of gives it that like wood burned look. But yeah, I mean, overall it didn't turn out too bad. The sides turned out crazy good. That's amazing. I mean, it just looks crazy. Love it. And then coming around to the front here, not too bad. This had time dry maybe for about 40 minutes now. Like I said, a little blotchy. I don't understand what happened there. But I mean, all in all, really doesn't look that bad. Kind of gives it a little more, I guess, character or something. Kind of looks like reptile scales through here. Kind of cool. But yeah, like I said, and you gotta imagine the black hardware and things like that in there. So coming around to this side, I don't know if you can see it, but the crackling's a little tighter on these. Whoops, let's see if I can twist it. Crackling's a little blotchy through here, but I mean, good lord. Yeah, anyway, I'm trying to get a good angle for you. But not too bad, like I said. See how it got really tight in spots? That's what's kind of cool about it, I guess, is because each guitar you do like this will be very unique. But yeah, I mean, there's the culprit, buddy. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the neck real quick. This one shouldn't take too long. I should just be able to hold it and do it. So I'm hoping for a pretty good effect there. So let's just go ahead and get into it and hope for the best. Like I said, let me get it here for you. Like I said, around the top here, around the corner, or the edges here, you can see where it's kind of masked off. You'll see what I'm doing. And then back here, I just wanted to incorporate it. This here's all blue right now, or taped off, because I want to make the neck black is my plan. I just think that'd be pretty cool. That way, I don't think there'd be any issues with the crackling on that, but I just want a smooth neck, and I think black would complement that. So this is gonna be like a two-part. I'll go ahead and do the blue. We'll have to let that set just like we did before, and then we'll do the crackle. But you won't hear me talk after this, because we'll go ahead and put the blue, and then you'll see it shortly after it dries, and then I'll go ahead and put the black on it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get busy. Okay guys, in case you're wondering what this little tape spot here is, that's the actual, when I sanded this down, that was the actual serial number on this guitar. And I thought, you know, if I'm keeping the Epiphone and all that stuff on the front part, I'm just going to go ahead and keep the, you know, the actual serial number. Might as well, right? But yeah, we'll let this set, and then we'll come back and do our crackling. So, woohoo! Alright guys, so the neck turned out crazy. The headstock, I mean, this looks really good. This is about, I don't know, 3 minutes after, 5 minutes after. Yeah, it's turned out pretty good. The sides look good. Oops, sorry. Top looking good. Oh man, yeah. Look at that. Whoop, look at that side. Oh my. And then the front. You see the edges here where I had them masked off. All that won't be blue, by the way. But yeah, it turned out really good. That's crazy. Awesome. The big thing will be when I peel the tape off of this and reveal it, and then we can go back through, and then we'll have to paint this part down here. We'll tape this off and mask the top, and we'll paint that black. So yeah. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, it's a real quick look at this again. This has been sitting for a little bit now. I think it's my phone. I love it, man. Never get a dull moment here. Never. But yeah, looking pretty good after a while here. So yeah, we'll get that all. I don't understand the blotchiness, but like I said, it looks pretty good. I think it looks crazy, actually. So that's kind of the cool part, like I said, to get the black hardware on there and stuff. So in the next video, what we'll do is we will, more than likely, it'll be a video for the neck where I expose, I'll go ahead and rip off the tape and expose what I did, and go back through and retape the other part that we just did, the crackle part, so I can paint the other part black. So that should be cool. That should be really fun, actually, to get. I can't wait to see that. That's going to be cool as hell. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up, man, please. It helps the channel out. Appreciate it so much. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe already. And we will see you guys in the next video, guys. Guys. Just in case you're keeping track. That's probably 100 guys right there that I said. If you're getting $1 per guy, you're pretty rich right now. I hate these glasses. I really do. I can't wait to throw them away. Anyway, get back in contacts. I'm getting off. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I do have a Facebook page now. That's down below. Follow me there if you'd like. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Rock on, everybody. Don't forget, it's all about the music. Later. Bye.